Next trick we're going to show you is two-handed loop crossovers. You're actually doing two-handed loops. One hand's going to cross over the other, and you actually continue doing those loops. The trick itself looks like this. You start with two-handed loops going, and notice my throw hand, or my right hand's actually going to come cross over, and I continue that loop in motion like that. One more time, let me show you full speed. It comes over, it crosses, and then it crosses back over. To practice this, it's really easy to practice if you just take one hand out there, it's not looping at all. I'm going to take my other throw hand, I'm going to practice moving it over it. Notice how it's all the way to the left now. Your hand actually, you'll notice as I'm doing this, it's more of a finger motion than a wrist because I can't quite turn my wrist quite as well when it's all the way over there. Definitely practice that in that way first. So I'm going to start over here, my left hand's here, and then I just bring it over and cross it, like so. So then when you have that, then practice it with your non-throw hand. So I bring that hand out, bring it across over to practice that movement. Put this motion together. I find it's easier to focus on crossing over one hand